Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to talk about Freshworks and Fresh Sales, which is a subcategory of Freshworks. Fresh Sales is more like a CRM software and it's for the sales of your business. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing which you're going to do when you reach here on freshworks.com is you have to go to an account and you have to sign up. You can easily sign up through your email, and I have signed up here. And once when you sign in, this will be the home page that you're going to receive. So they'll ask about your business and you'll have to answer it. What is your business related to? For me, I'll go here, e-commerce, others, get started. So once when you type get started, you'll reach here, and this is the contacts filter of your website. And we'll go here first. We'll go first to the dashboard. So once when you come here, you can see that a dashboard is much more aligned, and it's I would say a lot of informative things are given here related to your business, such as your revenue, how much revenue you've won and how much revenue you lost to competitors, and how much contacts there were by the sales owners, your sales teams, and a lot of different pie charts and graphs determining the progress of your business. We can also add a report here, and we can add anything related to our business, such as our sales forecast, sales trends, team activity report, product dashboard, chat dashboard, anything that we want. And it will give us a forecast or an analytic information of that thing that we want to select. So this was the main homepage. And if we go here, this is our contact filter where we initially landed, and you can see there are other tabs as well, such as accounts, deal, conversation, analytics, and settings. This is the contact tab, and here you can add a contact as well. You can also import your contacts through your other websites that save your contacts, such as your Google Calendar, which includes Google Contacts, and any other platform, Skype, anything that saves your contacts online. On the other hand, you can also add a contact if you want, and you can write the name of the contact, their last name, their account, and their email, their number, and every detail that they have. If they have, SMS subscription of your business, if they have WhatsApp subscription, every small detail option is given to you. I mean, the more detailed a customer data should be, the more beneficial it is for a business, So that's what I'm trying to tell you, that how much important it is for your business. So Fresh Sales give you the option. And like I said, you can add contact from right here. You can import it, and you can also delete a contact if you feel like, if you think that contact is not needed. So you have the right to delete the contact. So this was the contact tab. I'll move on. I'll go here to account, and you can see the accounts or the businesses through which we do deals are here. We can add an account as well if we want, and we can write the name of the account. For example, if there's a company, water company, I'm just giving an example, water company. This is a company account, and the salesperson is myself. And if I'm doing sales, I'm the sales lead of this company. Like if I'm contacting them, if I'm taking information for them, if I'm trying to close a deal with them, or if I'm already running a deal with them, my name will be here. So I'm the sales owner. So I can click save, and that account, will be added to this tab. So we can add another information, such as their phone number, industry type, revenue, how much revenue they're giving, their business type, and account details, which kind of account do we have with them. So you can check this out and you can fill it relevantly. So each and every detail option is there. So this is how the accounts tab works. Moving on, if we go to deals, now here our deals are written with other businesses. With this company, Acme Incorporation, we have a deal of $100, which will close in 7 days. We have a deal with widgets, and this deal actually consists of $5,600, and it will close in June. So these are the deals we have had with the other companies. Now we can add a deal as well if we have another deal with a new company. So we can add that deal here, and we can write the contact of that person, the account of that person, which will be already mentioned before here, the deal type, what kind of deal it was it professional services, a new deal, or an expansion, up to you, and deal name, currency, and all this. You can add it, and a new deal will be added. We can also filter the deals right here. If you're using it personally, you can click on My Deals. Rather than seeing the deals of other person, you can filter the deals. My Deals will show the deal which you closed, and My Territory deals, recent deals, recently imported, lost deals, won deals, hot deals, cool deals, closing this week deals. You can filter all this according to your relevance. So I've filtered it through the deals that we have won, and these include all these deals are the deals which we've won. So yeah, you can add a deal, you can sort out the deals, you can see the deals, see the information, see how much time do you have to close them and stuff like that. Moving on, conversation. This is a very important feature for me because here we can connect to our clients through bulk emailing. We can do bulk email to all our clients. We can write an email. We have to connect our email as well. And once we do that, then we are good to go. And we'll have an inbox. We'll have a team inbox as well. Send, schedule. This is basic things we find in an email. Apart from that, yeah, like I was saying before, we can bulk email as well. We can keep track of our email through email tracking. We can call our customers as well through this software, and we can also do SMS and send them WhatsApp chat. So you can see how important it is for a business, and they're providing all these features to us for free. And we have this analytic features as well, through which we can analyze our company, analyze the reports, analyze each and everything. And this is a setting panel, so you can tweak the settings according to your needs, like your leads, contacts, and accounts, your deals and pipelines. So that's it. This was a general overview of Fresh Sales. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.